Hello and welcome to another Elliott with analysis. Right, so about 19 hours ago, I posted this static idea for gold short wave C of two. Right, so I identify this entire wave here as a wave one of five, and then we are going to a wave two of five. Now over here, I set the target as 3245, which is the wave four of this wave one. Right. So I was just thinking that there's no need to be too aggressive, right? And you see that over here there is a one trend line additional that I add in, right? This was when I was looking at this chart and I realized that there's this short term trend line that could have been broken, right? And it actually allows you to put in one more short, right? But well, it has already been broken, so it doesn't really matter anymore, right? So let me just remove this. Right. Now what happened is that sorry, I think this is the additional trend line. This was the trend line that was there, and yeah, we will have taken advantage of this. Yeah, sorry. So this is the trend line that was that added, right? And this is an important trend line because this is the trend line for the entire wave one of four, right? And with this trend line, what you can do is that we can continue to use the measurement rule and see where would this move to, right? A 1:1 for a breakdown will give us roughly 3258, right? And but this is may not be the best way to calculate this. Let me just draw this line here, and from this breakdown, yeah, it's still 3258. All right. So let's move this target down. Target here. Where the previous one is 3246, right? 3258. So it's about 12 points above. Okay. Then this is for the traditional breakdown measurement rule. Right. So let's do an Elliott wave one. Right. And let's see whether we can get a confluence or convergence of ideas now. Elliott wave will, for a wave C equals to 1.618 of wave A will fall into this support here. 3271.09, right? And if we do this overall extension, right, we do not get any nice convergence. So let me just remove this. Now we can go down to lower time frame and try to count the wave, right? So assuming this is wave one, wave two, right? And then probably have a wave three somewhere here. What can we say of this entire wave? We get somewhere 4.618, which is quite near to 3271, right? 326 3268 here. Let me see. If we put this down, right, it will be, oh, we have reached the target. Right. So assuming we have not, because there is this breakdown of trend line, which means that there is a chance that we can go even lower. What I would say is that I prefer this take profit level. Okay. Which is 3271. Right. Let's make it as 3272. Okay. So I would say that this is the idea for gold. Okay. And let me just put in this short position thing so that we can discuss where do you want to put in the stop loss. Okay, so I think the stop loss is actually here. Maybe you extend it a bit up to 3340. The reason is because there is one resistance here, right, and there's one more here that is a support term resistance, right? So slightly above this, and then we have this take profit, right? So you can see that as of this time, the risk reward is not as good as when I posted this, right? Yeah. So if you are already in a position, I would suggest you just you can probably shift your stop down to 3340, right? And if you are considering when to establish a new position, right? I would recommend putting in a small position, right? Because the risk reward is not that great as of this moment. Yeah, but the target 3272. Okay, so let's see how in this arrow. Okay, so that's it for now, and good luck with your trading. Thank you.